Five. Candy Five. What are you doing?
Eating.
No, on the iPad.
Squish her face. Oh, look at her face.
What are you looking
Look at her face.
I'm gonna squish it. Cool.
Grab her tongue.
Okay. Give me your tongue. Come on. Come on. Give me that tongue. Give me that tongue. Give me. Come on. Come on. Okay. Come on. Come on. I got you. I got you. Ah, dang it. Hey, Violet. Look at me. Come on. Oh, did it.
Get her tongue.
I'm trying to. Oh. Her tongue is so slippery. That hurts.
Kick the bucket. Cute.
Look. It tickles. Let's stop it. Look at Cyrus. Look at him.
Help a complete stranger.
Come on. Ah. Dang it. I'm not doing anything. Okay. Look, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get a tongue. Stop. Ow. Stop it. I got it. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Pull it out. Pull it out.
What are you guys doing out there?
Pull out her tongue now.
Ah, I can't.
Pulling on boy boys? What?
What? I'm trying to get her tongue.
Why would you do that to that poor beautiful dog?
Unless you told me to. I'm just trying to grab it. Give me that tongue. Come on. Give me that tongue. Come on. Come on. Get the girl.
Get her tongue.
Come on. Come on. Oh, you're so pretty. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let me see. Get the boy. I'll get his tongue. Watch. Sorry. Next. I can get his tongue. Watch.